This chicken liver pate spread is great on toast. The homemade liver spread is easy to make and it tastes undeniably much better than the store-bought. It's almost as good as foie gras, which is typically made with goose or duck liver. Vámonos! Here is what you need to make it happen. The ingredient list is also in the description. The red wine should be sweet. That's the whole idea, to soften the bitterness of the liver. It combines wonderfully. Medium heat, pan on, olive oil in. Let it heat up a bit. Drop the chopped onion and add salt and pepper to taste. Sauté till it becomes golden and translucent, stirring from time to time. Next, add the 2 or 3 garlic cloves, roughly chopped. After about 30 seconds, add the chicken liver. Distribute evenly. The heat must be on medium power at all times. Let the liver sit in there for about 10 minutes and stir from time to time. Stir again and place a lid on top. Leave it for about 20 to 30 minutes with the lid on. Stir every now and then to make sure it doesn't stick to the pan. You know it's ready when everything turns brown. You can verify if it's cooked enough with a knife. If it's not pink, it's done. Place the whole thing in a bowl, add a bit of room temperature butter, and transform it into a paste with a hand mixer. I like to serve it on toast. Bon appétit!